Okay, I'm at my food truck doing some maintenance here. I'm getting ready to change the struts, or some people call it the StrongArm lift supports right here. I got two of them. They got weak, and some of them call them gas cylinders lift support, but they are weak. You see, I got vice grips on them. I've had this food truck for about 2.5, going on 3 years now, and these cylinders got weak. So I went to my local AutoZone, and they matched it up for me. So I'm gonna show you right here what I had to do. These are the struts here. As you can see, the one I bought from AutoZone is a little bit longer, about 1 inch longer. And I wanted it to be a little bit longer because I wanted my serving window to be up a little bit higher, maybe 1 or 2 inches higher, to make sure people could pass through easily. I say about 7.5 feet from the ground, so people won't bump their head. So what this is the original one that I took off. And I'm gonna take a tape measure right here and measure it. It's 20 inches from center to center, from hole to hole, about 20 inches. So you see the 20 inches there. And the one I bought from AutoZone, and you can purchase these off the internet also if you look in the description below. These are about 21. Let's measure it here. So it's about 21 inches from center to center. And this is exactly what I want. I don't want it no shorter. I want it to be about 1 inch or 2 longer so I can get the window up higher. Only thing you need to do is just screw this end cap off. And maybe a lot of people don't know this, that you can screw these little end caps off and replace them with the ones you have on your vehicle. So you don't have to automatically necessarily get the ones that you have on your vehicle. You can get other ones. And just screw your end caps off. Once I screwed the end caps off, I replaced it, took the end caps off this old cylinder and put it on the new cylinder. And a lot of people don't know you can do that, and I had to find out after I purchased it from AutoZone. I didn't know those thread off. So you just screw them off. Make sure the threads are the same as your original one. And I don't know the threads on this one, but I matched them up at AutoZone. So now you notice that I'm gonna get a step here. And a lot of stuff you just got to do by yourself. It's hard to get help these days. So what I'm gonna do, I got one of them off already, and now I'm gonna have to take the second one off. So as you can see, I'm gonna just lift it with my head and take the vice grip off. And I unscrewed these already. So once I got it up, I just had to lift it and just slide those right off the screws. And there's some bolts there that I got. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna zoom in here a little closer and just put the new one in. It's that simple. This is like on cars or trucks, anything. These things are really easy to change. So don't be paying nobody $50 or $60 to change these. If you are, just call me. I'll do it for you for $25. But it's real simple to do. And I'm doing all of this by myself. Like I said, it's hard to find good help these days. A lot of stuff you just got to do yourself. Just got to find unique ways of doing it. See, I got that one on, and I put the clamp back on because that one won't hold this serving window up by itself. So now I'm gonna put the other one on. And once you get it on, that's it. And I found out once I got these on that these are better than the original ones that I had on. I love them. It works great. It's a little stronger, and I think and they got a warranty on them. I don't know exactly what the warranty is. If they got a year warranty, I'm good. So I'm putting the screws and stuff back on. It's really simple. Just make sure you snug everything tight. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom in. See, I just slid it right over that nut, and I'm just tightening it up right there. Okay, once you got everything tight, I got both sides. I'm gonna come and take this vice grips off. There you go. It works perfectly. Before, it used to just slam closed with those old cylinders on. So we're gonna give it a try and see how it works. So I close my window, my serving window here, And these are with the new struts. I call them struts, or people call them strong arm lift supports. You see I raise it up. There you go. And it's pretty strong. The other one, you see I'm pulling down on it. I had to put a little pressure, not much. Let's see if I close it all the way. Oh, I like this. It's great. So when I get ready to open my serving window, I just let it go. It opens. And I'm also put the vice grips on there just for extra support. Just in case the hard wind or something can start blowing, it'll have the extra support. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.